What's up guys, it's Jen Sarbone, fitness model from Miami, and we're back with day 2 of a bunch of booty workouts that are gonna give you the perfect booty, the perfect pump. And again, we're using these bands that you can get from the website down below. So without further ado, let's get right into it again. So the first thing we're gonna do is lay on our backs and do glute bridges with a 3-second hold at the top. Now we're gonna do that for 1 minute straight. And here we go. We're here, 1, 2, 3, and down. 1, 2, 3, and down. Remembering to breathe and squeeze as hard as you can at the top. And we're almost halfway done. You should definitely be feeling this. We have 15 seconds left. Right after this one, we're gonna go right back onto our tummies and we are going to do some kickbacks. So 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so let's get on our other side. Kick back, and we're going to actually be pulsing for 30 seconds each leg. Don't stop, let's go. Remember to keep your legs straight and pulse, and remember to flex that foot. And it already hurts, and it's 10 seconds in. We're halfway there. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. Squeeze. You guys, right after this one, we're gonna do a fire hydrant combo for also 30 seconds each leg. But we have 10 seconds left on this one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna go ahead and get on my elbows. And what I'm gonna do right now is go into a fire hydrant, straighten my leg, and put it back down like so. And let's go. Out, straight, in, down. You can do it either on your elbows or on your hands, whatever feels better. I think I changed my mind. I'm gonna go on my hands. Whew, 15 seconds in. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. Guys, this hurts like hell. Just saying. 20 seconds left on this side. If you have to take a break, take a break. If you can get through it, even better. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, next thing we're gonna do, get a drink if you feel you need to, but we are going to do squat band pulses for an entire minute. I'm gonna turn around this way so you can see the booty. And here we go. My legs are out a little bit wider. Toes are slightly out. And I am just pulsing away for an entire minute. And I'm gonna turn. Halfway done, feels like a century, right? "20 seconds. Feel that burn and embrace the burn. No pain, no gain. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. All right, so one more before I get a drink, and that is going to be squats with alternating kicks. Now how you're gonna do this, you're gonna squat down low, kick one leg out to the side, squat down low, kick the other leg out to the side. And this is also gonna be for a minute. I'm gonna catch my breath, whew, and here we go. So 1 minute, and go squat, kick, squat, kick. This is really gonna work your outer glute and really fill out those hip dips, and overall give you a pump. We are almost halfway done, and halfway done. "20 seconds. Tell you, these bands make a huge, huge difference. Lots of resistance. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Whew. I don't know about you, but I need a drink. I'm gonna take my band off and stretch out a little too. All right. Almost done with the workout already. All right, so for these next ones, I'm going to also add the ankle band. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to my pink band and my pink ankle band. So this is pretty much gonna be essentially the burnout, although it's been a burnout the whole time. What I'm gonna do for a minute straight are ankle side steps. And then after that minute, I'm gonna take off this ankle band and continue the side steps. So it's gonna be a total of 2 minutes. At 1 minute, I'll announce when to take the ankle band off. And then we got one more thing after that, and we are done with day 2. So let's get to it. Ready? 1 minute. Here we go. I'm sorry if you can't sit on the toilet later. And we're halfway done. Stay strong, guys, stay strong. Only 20 seconds left with the ankle band. Ten, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now this is coming off, and I have to bend down to take that off. We're gonna do the same exact thing. Ready? Here we go. Stay low. Breathe. Halfway done. You can do this. Ten seconds, come on. Finish this one off strong. Right after this, we're gonna take our bands off. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew, okay. everything off, this is gonna be our burnout, and we're gonna do this with 0 bands, and that is going to be squats with 5 bounces and back up. And this is gonna be a total of 90 seconds, okay? Let's do it. My legs are gonna be out. Not so much sumo, not so much together, kind of right in the middle. And I'm gonna pulse. So 1, about 5 pulses, squeeze. Squeeze. Just like that. This is the ultimate burnout, and we are 30 seconds in. We're over a minute in. We have 25 seconds left. And 10 seconds to go. Guess what, you guys? We're officially done with day 2. Congratulations, you should be proud of yourself. My butt's on fire. I know yours is too. Again, you can get those bands from the website down below. And I can't wait to see you at day 3 of our booty exercises. So stay tuned, I'll see you there.